The Vivo Y20s is the latest mid-range smartphone from Vivo. The question is, should you buy this phone or you should buy other smartphone brands at the same price range? The Y20s will cost you 85,900 naira for the 6GB of RAM plus 128GB of storage. Now, for such outrageous price, here are the specs of the smartphone. A 6.5 inches LCD display, 6GB of RAM, 128GB of internal storage, 720p screen resolution display. It is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 460. It has 30MP triple rear cameras and 8MP selfie. Finally, a 5000 mAh battery capacity. Now, judging by the specs, the smartphone hardly looks attractive, but the cameras are lovable and can easily recognize natural colors without getting overly exposed. There is a video, this video you are watching now on the screen was shot on the Vivo Y20s 8MP selfie camera, and one can hardly tell because of its good quality. Here are also pictures I took with the 8MP Vivo Y20s camera. However, on the rear, you'll be getting 30MP triple rear cameras. The other two lenses at the back are 2MP macro, 2MP depth sensor respectively. So the main weakness of the Y20s start from the main camera. For example, the Infinix Note 7 and Infinix Note 8i are cheaper and they will give you a better value. Another weakness of the Vivo Y20s is the performance. The chipset that powers the smartphone is Snapdragon 460. For instance, by comparison, the Infinix Note 8i MediaTek Helio G80 processor is better than the Snapdragon 460 that powers the Vivo Y20s. The Snapdragon 460 struggles to perform average tasks and certainly not the best for an optimized intensive average gaming. You also notice the back is spotless, and that is because the fingerprint is in the side-mounted fingerprint place. It works fine and can also serve as camera shooter. And it is good to take note that the main difference between the Vivo Y20s and the Y20 is the size in RAM and the storage, as every other things between the smartphones are technically the same. Overall, I would say the Vivo Y20s is overly priced. I rather recommend you to buy the Infinix Note 8 series, which are far better and also offer more value than the Vivo Y20 series. So I will link the Infinix Note 8 and Note 8i review video in the description below, so you can go and check it out. Well, if you think this video is helpful, a sub to the channel will be incredible. And also remember to follow me on social media at myhd. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you soon in my next video.